Imagine gazing up at the night sky on a clear evening, spotting a distant point of light that appears to be part of our galaxy, but is, in fact, an entirely separate and colossal entity known as the Andromeda Galaxy. Did you know that despite its immense distance, this galaxy is the closest neighbor to our Milky Way? Even more astonishing, the future of these galaxies could be closely intertwined. In this video, we will dive deep into Andromeda, uncovering its hidden mysteries and exploring the most prominent stars and planets that make up this vast galactic system. Before we begin, if you're a fan of space and science and want more exciting content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with our latest discoveries. Andromeda Galaxy Overview and Discovery History. The Andromeda Galaxy, also known as M31, was first observed by the Persian astronomer Abd al-Rahman al-Sufi in the 10th century. It is a massive spiral galaxy located about 2.537 million light-years from Earth. It is the largest and closest galaxy to our Milky Way in the local group, containing about 1 trillion stars, which is roughly twice the number of stars in our galaxy. In the 20th century, astronomers observed that Andromeda is moving toward the Milky Way at a speed of approximately 110 kilometers per second. A collision between the two galaxies is expected to occur in about 4.5 billion years, forming a new galaxy, sometimes referred to as Milkomeda. Structure of the Andromeda Galaxy. The Andromeda Galaxy consists of 4 main parts: the central nucleus. The nucleus of Andromeda harbors a supermassive black hole, similar to the one at the center of our Milky Way. This black hole has a mass of about 100 million times the mass of the Sun. Spiral arms. The galaxy features a double-armed spiral structure containing dense clouds of gas, dust, and stars. Halo surrounding Andromeda is a vast halo of hot gas extending more than 1 million light-years and having a mass greater than the stars and the galaxy itself. Stellar clouds. These clouds, dense with gas and dust, form regions of active star formation. Prominent stars in the Andromeda Galaxy: the blue hot star, HD 39060, a massive B-type star, one of the brightest in the galaxy, with a surface temperature exceeding 20,000 Kelvin, giving it a distinct blue hue. Cepheid variable stars. These variable stars are crucial in astronomical studies because their brightness changes periodically, allowing scientists to measure cosmic distances. Many Cepheid stars have been found in Andromeda, helping to determine its exact distance from us. The supernova S Andromedae. One of the most famous stellar events in Andromeda, S Andromedae, is a rare supernova that was observed in 1885. This event provided valuable insights into how massive stars explode and produce heavy elements like iron. Exoplanets in the Andromeda Galaxy. Although discovering exoplanets outside the Milky Way is a significant challenge, scientists believe there are thousands of exoplanets orbiting stars in Andromeda. One early success was the discovery of a possible exoplanet using the gravitational microlensing technique, which relies on the bending of light by a planet's gravity. This technique suggests that Andromeda may host planets similar to those in our solar system. Stellar clouds and star-forming regions. NGC 206 is one of the largest and brightest star-forming regions in the Andromeda Galaxy. This vast stellar cloud contains a cluster of young blue stars that formed only about 10 million years ago. The region is a hotbed of activity, offering an excellent example of how stars form in spiral galaxies. Interaction with surrounding dwarf galaxies. Several dwarf galaxies orbit Andromeda, such as M32 and M110. These galaxies are not only gravitationally bound to Andromeda, but some are also believed to have partially merged with it. This interaction affects Andromeda's structure, contributing to new star formation and redistributing gas and dust within the galaxy. The future of Andromeda and the Milky Way. The anticipated collision between the Andromeda Galaxy and the Milky Way is one of the most awaited astronomical events. This merger will result in the formation of a new galaxy, though the process itself may take billions of years. Stars, gas, and dust will likely be rearranged in the new system, creating a massive galactic structure that could be entirely different from both the Milky Way and Andromeda. The Andromeda Galaxy is not just a cosmic neighbor, it is a vast, enigmatic world filled with scientific challenges. From its massive stars to its mysterious planets and stellar clouds, Andromeda opens a window into our broader understanding of the universe and the future of our galaxy. If you enjoyed this video and want to explore more of the universe's wonders, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be the first to see our upcoming content. Thank you for your support and see you in the next scientific adventure.